People say innovation is a force that can change the world. When inspiration strikes, it's essential to go beyond what's already available. Now, as a leading manufacturer of grinders in the world, we customize cutting-edge grinders for our customers at reasonable prices. All around the world, we partner with the automotive, aerospace, medical, mold, mechanical parts, and green energy industries. To achieve grinding perfection is our goal. And with this goal, we realize our innovation into power. And we ensure precision machinery to enable excellent performance for our customers. We make cutting-edge grinding machinery. We are PALMARY. Creativity, the fireworks of our mind, lets us strive for innovation and high quality. These are our core values. In the PALMARY Production Center, we are always dedicated to breaking our own records. Each precision grinder made by PALMARY demonstrates the R&D endeavors as well as facility investment conducted these years. Each procedure is realized in a rigorous manner. This manifests PALMARY's teamwork and professionalism.
この機械の、シリーズはですね、基本的な考え方として MD、つまりモジュラーデザインをベースとして、機械を設計しております。でなおかつ、これから先、将来もですねこの MD の考え方に沿って、将来を展開していきたいと考えております。
Enhanced scrapping capability reinforces meionite casting iron essence, realizing faying surface accuracy, achieving precision and durability. In the PALMARY assembly room, we produce different characteristic spindles of grinders, such as dynamic pressure, hydrostatic pressure, and bearing type. PALMARY offers more than 200 types of grinding machines in 5 main categories, as well as customized machines. Starting with technical consultation, we work closely with our customers. Through various trial grindings, it helps to develop a suitable custom solution with higher work efficiency. Our flexible supply chain ensures a fast delivery process, which allows us to keep our customers' expenses low. PALMARY engineers customize every single grinder to a suitable floor plan. This helps to save costs and delivers an ideal production line. PALMARY has exported its products to over 40 countries, creating an extensive sales network. This great effort is based on the endeavors of PALMARY members and their superb management. Our standard production procedure allows for reduced resource consumption and total control of each step in the production chain. We utilize just-in-time JIT management as our main production administrative concept.
我们一路以来秉持着精密、完美、卓越的企业精神，我们不只专注在研发创新上，我们也要求团队能够落实 ISO 的品管跟 PDCA 循环的改善。未来，我们希望朝向智慧工厂的目标前进。 导入落实资讯时代的智能化生产管理。我们要成为世界品质一流的模厂制造厂。
Starting from material selection, all PALMARY products go through rigorous quality control measures. We inspect all components and make precise adjustments. We examine our grinders repeatedly to exceed market standard for precision and efficiency. With thorough knowledge of market trends, PALMARY is able to offer a comprehensive range of products. Our maintenance system and well-trained staff provide reliable, quick services to our customers. Today, over 6,835 PALMARY precision grinders are being used worldwide. These grinders manufacture over 3,860 types of workpieces each day. They turn each production project into a success and play an important role in manufacturing industries worldwide. These values and principles demonstrate our advanced technologies, experience, and know-how. This is what makes PALMARY the internationally renowned supplier of machine tool equipment that we are today. We make cutting-edge grinding machinery. We are PALMARY.